really busy. You see the staff standing there with a sign like to get people to stop. They have the round sign, then it says like mind your gap, and then if it's too busy, they ask you to stop so that the train doesn't get overcrowded. It's very early in the morning and everybody's going to work, and we are trying to get to Monster Building. Well, the next stop is Admiralty. That's where we will change for the Island line. We just called without checking. So let's see, where are we? Another thing is the north point here. This is where the dinding, the tram line ends. Yeah, so if you want to get a dinding, I think you can get the ferry, the staff ferry from Tim Tatway, then straight to North Point, or you can also use the MTR. Meaning, by the time you get here, you actually went under the water. Yeah, you can get here by bus, you can get here by tram. You can get here by bus, you can get here by MTR, and also you can get here by taxi. But my suggestion, the quickest way is MTR, and also the most scenic way is the ferry. So yeah, you choose which one for you. Just arrive at the Quarry Bay. So, are you guys ready for Monster Building? Well, let's go explore, shall we? Wow, this one is really great. Alright, let's see how we can get out of this place. There's also ticket stations here, so you can buy your ticket, add money to your postcard. Wow, the trams come all the way here too. Wow.
Okay, we need to wait. We may need it.
Yeah. Okay, we walk into a Thai cold place. So you see the building, it's a kind of like a quiet building outside the station. Yeah, you see a HSBC building there as well. I'll try to flip the camera to show you the sign. So look for this sign. There's no drone. Are you ready for the picture, the video, the most famous view ever? There we are.
Wow.
Look at that, guys. Monster Building. Guys, here is Monster Building. 10,000 people. There's no drone zone. Do not fly your drone here. To get here, you can get here by dinding, you can get here by NTR, you can get here by taxi. You have a building here, I don't want to talk too much. Make sure you subscribe. Where you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Wow. You on holiday? Holiday?
Yeah, so
Vacation?
vacation.
Okay.
Yeah, having vacation.
Yeah. 5 days.
5 days.
This is our last day.
Oh.
That's why we came here.
Oh.
Just to take pictures.
Have you been to the peak?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Okay. Is it expensive?
Via Fook.
By group?
Look, yeah.
Look up.
Not really expensive.
Okay. Thank you so much. Make
No
sure
problem.
you subscribe to my video.
We subscribe you.
Subscribe, yeah, subscribe.
Sure.
Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Well, we're currently here in the Monster Building. One information for you guys, there's no drone because it's a private property, so make sure you don't fly your drone here. Going out of the Oceanic Building, popularly known as the Monster Building. But guys, please, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We out. Wow, baby. Have a tea. Wow guys, look at the food here. It's nice food. And we're having a Chinese medicine. It's $20. JH class trying to get the money. Doje, bye bye. Well guys, we're here to have breakfast. You could literally come out from the MTR and then here the place for breakfast. Well guys, I'm having iced lemon tea. Jay is having a coffee with milk. I believe that's a lot of milk. A nice cup. So guys, they brought you like a syrup, like Chinese syrup. I bet it's going to be very sweet. This is how much our food is, 106 for tea. So guys, once you finish eating, I think you have to go to the counter with your bill, make payments. Most of them accept Visa. Sometimes they accept Octopus card as well, but cash is That's option. Let's go make payments and continue our day. Guys, that was amazing breakfast at Main Lake Cafe. Well, it's just a few minutes outside the Oceanic Building, the Monster Building. Unfortunately, WeChat and Alipay and cash is accepted. Good information, guys. Well, the next stop, we're going to catch a ding-ding to Central. Then from there...
How do we do this?
We don't know how to do this. Well, I missed the stop. You can't stop on your way, so I have to stop at the next stop. Missed the tram, but now I'm going to find your air, guys. Make sure when you're approaching the station, you get off. Go downstairs and wait, because they don't waste any time. Well, that was an amazing journey. If you did enjoy this amazing road trip or the tram or ding-ding journey, please consider liking the video and subscribe, because we can give you more content like this. Thank you. Bye for now.